Okay, today we are discussing about the topic called as ergonomics, and previously also we have covered in IS 102 this topic. So anybody can give any insights. I think it's taking some time. My PPT to load. It's okay. Yeah. Anyone? You can unmute and talk. Any examples? What is mean by ergonomics? You want it is right or wrong? It is okay. Okay. Fine. Hope I'm audible. I'm taking the session forward. So as we've seen ergonomics on our previous session, it is simple that how you're designing the job or the activity which is more comfortable to the worker or employee to finish that without taking any excessive stress. It is simple that fitting the job to the worker or who is performing the job. The term ergonomics is derived from the Greek word which is ergo, meaning the work and strength, nouns meaning the role or the law. Excuse me, not visible the screen. Anybody else having issue? The screen is not visible. Okay. Norms means the rules and the laws. How you are making your work by keeping some set of rules or the practices in place to avoid the spending of unnecessary energy. It simply means fitting the job to the worker and not worker to the job. If you're keeping the worker, take the then if you see in this case, what will happen? It is almost like a slavery. మనకి ఊర్లో బానిసలు ఉంటారు ఇప్పటి లేరు పాతకాలంలో చూసుకుంటే there are the slaver men or the slaves. So what they do, they'll simply give the task, even whether you are able to do the task or not, nothing matter, you have to perform it. But here it is comes with the comfort. Here they make sure that your job is simple, easy to do it. You are not going to take any excess strain. Simply how you are making the job easy to the worker or an employee who is performing that. If you see the object, ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం దీని యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే to achieve the best mutual adjustment of men, his work, to improve his convenience, efficiency, and well-being. The main objective is improve the convenience, which means how far he can able to work, and also efficiency, how long he can work. So if you are not comfortable in your current job, so what will happen? Immediately an idea triggers in your mind stating that a job acha nahi hai, so we have to quit, or you look for a new opportunity, or else the job is okay, but the working hours are more. You are not able to perform efficiently in the following day. For example, generally the working hours are 8 hours, but in your company, the working hours are 12 hours. Maybe initial 1 month, you may perform very well. After 1 month, what will happen? You are spending so much of energy from your body. By the following month, you could not give the same performance which you have given on the initial month you have joined. So that is efficiency comes in. So if you are able to work every day with the same efficiency in the same manner, so you are comfortable, and also you are not going to face any health related issues. If it is not the case, what will happen? You become fatigued and you will not able to perform the activity. You will try to take the shortcuts, resulting in accidents. మేజర్గా దీని ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే ఎవరైతే పని చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళకి కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉండాలి. సో దట్ ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు బాగా పనిచేస్తారు సంవత్సరం అంతా కూడాను. వెల్ బీయింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఆరోగ్య పరిస్థితి ఇదరే ఫిజికల్ ఆర్ మెంటల్ ఆర్ సోషల్ వెల్ బీయింగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై సోషల్ వెల్ బీయింగ్? Any thought? I'm unmuting. What is mean by social well-being? Anybody? We have 30 participants. Okay. Again, no answer. Oh, thanks. I got one response. No idea. Okay, fine. That is also thanks, Sridhar, for your response. At least you responded, you're not having idea. No problem. So the social well-being means how you are communicating with the others. We are in a society, so we can't live with our own choice. You can't be such a freedom in social environment. What does mean by social environment? If once you went out of your private space, I can say if it is a bedroom, it is a private space. There you can live whatever the way you want. Once you go out of your house, you are entering into the public space. You are interacting with social people or people, with a society. Society means what? Society is a group of people. Then the social well-being will comes in. How you are dealing, how you are interacting with the people, all the things will comes in. What is mean by mental well-being? How mentally you are fit. And physical well-being will be how you are healthy. All these things comes in. The ergonomic approach includes designing of machines, tools, controls, equipment, process, layout, housekeeping, etc., to increase the efficiency of both a man and machine. The application of ergonomics reduces accidents and improve health and efficiency. ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తాము ఈ ఎర్గనామిక్ అప్రోచ్ అనేది? మిషన్స్ డిజైన్ చేయటంలో, టూల్స్ డిజైన్ చేయటంలో, కంట్రోల్స్ డిజైన్ చేయటంలో, ఎక్విప్మెంట్ని తయారు చేయటంలో, ప్రాసెస్ లేఅవుట్ చేయటంలో, ఇంకా హౌస్ కీపింగ్. I'll give a simple example. If you see your tools, Maybe here, most of the people are maybe 90s born or 80s born. So if you take 10 years before, if you see any screwdriver or a player or any other portable tool, it comes with a hard plastic. If you see in the recent generation or in the current years, if you take the any tools which are coming with the a soft rubber kind of material, which will give a comfort while handling those tools. Maybe the design of the tools is completely changed. It became a weightless and handy grip. So previously, because of hard plastic, in case of your sweat, it will slip from your hand. So all these things comes in ergonomics. It is completely about how a person can complete the activity without any discomfort. And also what will happen, it will increase the efficiency of both men and machine. So what will happen while keeping the view of ergonomics in designing of these tools as well as machines, the controls. So what will happen? It will increase the efficiency of the both the machine as well as the men. How it will increase the efficiency of the men or machine? Because the machine is designed as per the requirement of the men, so that he will not tamper or he will not irritate the machine. He will not do any malpractice with the machine, or he will not do any circus with the machine. So that what will happen? The damages will not be there, or he will not any do a bypassing of the controls of the machine. So that what will happen? The machine works as per the design intake, so that there will not be any problems. Automatically, the machine works efficiently. Then application of ergonomics reduces accidents and also improves health and efficiency. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the class, so what will happen if you are properly implemented the ergonomics controls in your operations? So what will happen? People are well aware, then they'll not get fatigue, and also they'll not take shortcuts because of they're not spending any excess energy, so that automatically the frequency of incidents will come down, resulting there will not be any accidents. Because of no accidents, what will happen? Automatically the productivity will increase. Okay, that is the funda which is behind. The ergonomics is also defined as the study of human characteristics for appropriate design of living and also work environment. It is a human-centered, transdisciplinary, and application-oriented. It can be applied to jobs, equipment, working place, tools, utensils, or any complicated work system. Example, multi-person socio-technical systems. It is a human-centric characteristics. It depends on the human characteristics. The characteristics will be a size or the height, weight, width of the person, everything will be covered in the human characteristics. Okay, and also as I mentioned, it is applied to the jobs, equipments, workplaces or workstations, and tools, utensils, etc. A successful application is measured by improved efficiency, safety, productivity, and also the acceptance of ergonomic design. When we can say a successful application is measured, ఎలా measure చేయొచ్చు? Improved efficiency. For example, before applying this, maybe you would have felt that you have created only 10 to 15 jobs in a day. After implementing this, okay. After implementing this, you are producing jobs 30 to 40 per hour. So that what will happen? Your efficiency has been increased. అంటే ఏంటి? ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ ఎర్గనామిక్స్ అనే వాటిని మనం ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసామో దానికి ముందు మనము రోజుకి ఒక 10 నుంచి 12 జాబ్లు అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అనేది చేస్తుంటే వన్స్ ఈ సిస్టమ్స్ కంట్రోల్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసిన తర్వాత 30 నుంచి 40 ప్రొడక్ట్స్ పర్ డే అనేది చేయగలుగుతున్నాం. సో దట్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ యువర్ efficiency increase, resulting productivity also will get increase. And the discipline that can be utilized in ergonomics are physiology, anthropology, biomechanics, engineering, and psychology. And they include both technological and also human components. So there are many disciplines which will increase. We'll discuss in further slides. ఇవన్నీ కూడాను ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి ఉంటాయి దేంట్లో ఈ ergonomics implementation part. Ergonomics draw data from the full spectrum of human and also biological sciences, technology, and acquire additional data through experiment, survey, reactions to the environmental hazards, and sensory capacities, decision-making abilities, psychometric performance, ability to make precise, rapid, and also the correct control movements. So what it will take? It will take so many aspects and ఎన్నో రకాలైన ఏమనొచ్చు పారామీటర్స్ ఇది కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది. సో దాంతో పాటుగా దే విల్ డూ సమ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ అండ్ దే విల్ లుక్ ఫర్ ఎనీ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ ఎబిలిటీస్, ability to modify behavior through training, biological aspects of eating, drinking, and also waste disposal, psychological factors due to fatigue, emotion, changer, etc., and also become a subject matter of ergonomics. So they will consider many aspects. Food intake, what kind of persons will work on this. So all these things will be a matter for designing the ergonomics in the workplace. The ergonomic design should begin with the understanding of the user's role and should consider the human variability as a design parameter. A tile ultimate design incorporates with both human capabilities, built-in safety guards to reduce or avoid the impact of human errors. It means the design should begin with the understanding of the user's role. So what is the role of the user? Or if I can say if it is in a machine, what is the role of the operator? And also should consider the human variability as a design parameter. Human variability means, so as I mentioned, height, weight, reach of the person, everything will consider here. And tile ultimate design incorporate both human capabilities and also built-in safety guards. They will consider the human variabilities as well as built-in safety guards. So that what will happen, we can reduce or avoid the impacts of human errors. ఇందులో ఏమేం చేస్తాం